it's endless. Just for a moment now, I need to get away. Going away, I've seen it all before. I broke my own insecurities and threw them out the door just for a minute to find out why I weigh lower than a goddamn mind. I'm not sure I'm quite ready for this yet.